Welcome back mga ka-hoops. Alam niyo yung isang bagay na paulit-ulit na natututunan ng NBA players kapag kaharap nila si Luka Doncic? Trash talkin mo siya at your own risk. Because when Luka gets extra motivated, mas lalo siyang nagiging aggressive. At sa game na ito, laban sa Chicago Bulls, may isang player na natutunan yan the hard way. So nangyari ito laban sa Chicago Bulls. During the 1-minute mark of the first quarter, and after missing a reverse layup attempt, nagkaroon ng exchange si Luka at si Matas Buzelis. And ayon kay Luka, may sinabi raw si Buzelis na hindi masyadong maganda. At doon, mas lalo pang nagising siya. Ang sabi pa nga ni Luka, "Somebody started talking to me, so that woke me up. And from that moment, iba na yung game niya." At kung paano niya ginawa yung scoring, well, classic Luka. Step back threes.
His three-point percentage is his best as a pro. Luka!
50-point triple double. That's saying something, boy. The Lakers have 3 minutes and 19 seconds to hold on to this lead.
Fadeaway jumpers.
Offensively, as he gets the first one in. Right over the top after the bump, follow through, three-point opportunity.
Mismatch hunting.
Percentage is his best as a pro.
Luka! To the paint and getting the easy one.
What a quarter for the Bulls. 11 out
And great control of tempo.
Buddy in front of DeAndre. Easy back.
Nagtapos siya ng game with 51 points, 10 rebounds, at 9 assists. Halos triple-double na. At may 9 3-pointers pa. So, hindi lang to scoring outburst. It was a complete domination. At ang pinakadelikado sa style ni Luka, hindi siya na nagmamadali. Para siyang laging naglalaro ng chess. Habang yung defense, nagpapanik na. Well, hindi naman ito bagong story. Kung avid Luka fan ka or NBA follower, alam mong marami ng players ang nagtry mag-trash talk kay Luka. At kadalasan, nagba-backfire. Because Luka is extremely competitive. Minsan pa nga, kahit fans lang makipag-usap sa kanya courtside, nagiging personal na motivation na niya. Kapag naramdaman niyang may challenge sa kanya, lalo siyang nagiging aggressive. At yon ang nakita natin sa game na ito. Isang comment lang, tapos ayun, biglang 50-point explosion. Ito na yung pang-8 beses na umiscore si Luka ng 50 points sa isang game sa kanyang career. And ito naman yung first time niya na umiscore ng 50 points bilang Laker. At dahil doon, lalo pang tumitibay yung narrative na si Luka talaga ang bagong muka ng Lakers franchise. Kasi kung iisipin mo, hindi madali ang maging superstar sa Lakers. Lahat ng ginagawa mo, ikukumpara sa mga legends na naglaro na sa team. Kobe, si Magic, Shaq, and kahit si LeBron. Pero performances tulad nito, ito yung mga moments na bumubuo ng legacy. At habang tumatagal, lalo mong nakikita kung bakit dapat i-build ng Lakers ang future nila around Luka. So, kung may lesson man dito, simple lang. Kung kalaban mo si Luka Doncic, huwag mo na siyang asarin. Ang tanong ngayon, gaano kadalas natin makikita yung ganitong version ni Luka for the Lakers? Kasi kung magiging regular ito, delikado ang buong Western Conference.